Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to reset and restore all settings and content for selling your Apple iPad Pro 4th generation build 2020, for selling your iPad or getting it back to the support that your data are not on the device anymore. You have to do this because if you do not restore it or reset it, then the new guy, the buyer of this iPad or the customer services will cannot be have entrance into this iPad system. For this, you can go to settings. The first step is go to your Apple ID. This is where your face is watching to you. Push on it, and then you can see on the right side name, passwords, clouds, iTunes, and Find My. Find My. This is the first step to get the location thing off of this iPad, because if the Find My option is still working with the new buyer, there's a little problem with it, because there will be a iCloud lock after he do not enter the right Apple ID in it. Okay, so Find My, and here you can see Find My, and there it is on. You can see on. Let's go into it, and then Find My iPad. Locate, lock, or erase your iPad and support accessories. If you do not disable this option, the new guy will have a problem. This is the first step for get this in factory reset. Now we have to enter our Apple ID passcode, then return. So now you can see Find My iPad is switched off, disabled. This is the first thing. The second thing is go to General. This is for the iCloud lock is now disabled. This is the first step to get clear and good factory reset on your Apple iPad. Now go to General, and here you can see about keyboard, VPN, Legend, etc. And on the bottom side you can see shut down and reset. If you go shut down, your iPad will only shut down. This is not the right thing. We are going to use reset option. Reset all settings or erase all content and settings. And it is important to choose now erase all content and settings, because if we only reset all settings, our photos, our videos, and every other things will be still on this iPad. So now you have to choose erase all content and settings. This is really important. Then he gives you information. Do you want to update your iCloud backup before using or erasing? Then you can choose backup then erase or erase now. We are going to do erase now. But if you are going to need the backup of this iPad before you sell it, for example, then go to backup then erase. Okay, so erase now. And now we have to enter the passcode. The passcode is not the code of your Apple ID. It is the passcode of this unique iPad. You gave the passcode if you had to set up with to enter in it, for example with Face ID. So enter it, job's done. Then erase iPad. This will delete all media and data and reset all settings. This is important. Erase. Now he's having another information. Are you sure? You want to continue? All media, data, and settings will be erased. This cannot be undone. Yes, of course. So now erase. And job's done. That it is 2 steps to make a clear factory reset on your Apple iPad Pro Mark IV, build 2020. First step, find my iPad, disabled, really important. Second step, erase everything. That is really important. And after this process, it will cost about 3 minutes. You have a brand new software, a brand new iPad there, a factory resetted iPad, which you are going to sell, or you can give it away without your data. This is important. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.